At least I said bless you. 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. No, not 2 cups of butter. That's too much butter. Huh? 1/4 a cup of butter. Mm-hmm. 1/4 cup sugar. What? Justin, now you need 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Yep. What am I making?
No, what does it make like?
Well, I don't know. I ain't that smart.
And don't have powdered dissolve also. Don't have powdered dissolve.
1/4 teaspoon. Now, Justin, I need a 1/4 teaspoon.
1/4 teaspoon.
Yeah.
How small is that?
How small is that? That's this tiny. Baking soda. And then I need some salt. And then one and 3/4 or whatever. I said I need 1 3/4 cup of milk, but whatever. A 1/4 cup of butter melted, or that I almost blew up. You know, whatever. Some vanilla that I don't measure. And 1 egg. Ta-ta! Let's see if I can flip these and not screw them up. So I'm gonna try to flip these and not screw them up. Ta-da! We've got blueberry and we've got chocolate chip. I did more chocolate chip than I did blueberry. Boys, y'all hungry?
Yes,